Wayne Rooney has splashed out £3,000 on an off-road buggy to get around his huge estate. He owns acres of farmland at his new £20 million Cheshire mansion, and his family moved in just in time for Christmas. 3. Wayne's buggy, seen here behind Son's Kai and Kit, set him back £3,000. 3. He bought the buggy to get around the grounds of his new mansion. And the buggy will enable him to race around the grounds. A source revealed, the nearest neighbor is a long way off and they've got so much land now that no one will be disturbed. Wayne is getting landscapers to create a jaw-dropping golf course at the £20 million pad. The monster plot boasts a private drive from the country lane in Cheshire, twin lakes at the front, and acres of farmland surrounds the mansion close to posh Knutsford. It's also got an all-weather footy pitch and stable block. And Derby County manager Wayne has revealed he plans to have golf holes laid out in his monster grounds. His former pad has a putting green, but Manchester United legend Wayne is planning to take things to the next level at his new home. He told Today's Golfer, "I'm in the process of getting a new place and there will be a few good golfing things involved. A mini course, a few holes, driving range, pro shop, stuff like that. Actually, I've exaggerated on one or two things there, but, even so, I can't wait." The ex-England skipper revealed that he now plans to work on his golf now he's hung up his boots and get his handicap down from 16 to single figures. He told the publication, "I live very close to Prestbury GC in Cheshire and it's lovely. There are lots of very nice courses in my area and my lad is currently having lessons at Mottram Hall. I haven't had lessons myself yet, though I've sneakily been picking up a few things from my lads, so it's a case of two for the price of one. My current handicap? 2. Only joking. I wish. About 16 on a good day would be closer to the mark. Naturally, I'm pretty competitive. A few years ago I used to be an angry golfer, but I've calmed down quite a lot." 3. Wayne and Colleen's Cheshire mansion has acres of farmland.